Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to use Adyen in 2025. Whether you are business owner looking to accept payment or just curious about how the problem works. This guide will walk you through everything in a simple way. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what Adyen is. Adyen is a global payment platform that business use to accept payment online in apps and in store. It supports credit cards, debit cards, e-wallet, and even local payment method worldwide. In short, it's an all-in-one payment solution. To start using Adyen, go to adyen.com and click the sign up for the account. Fill in your business information like company name, country, and contact details. You will also need to provide bank account details where payment will be sent. Once submit, Adyen will review on a application before activating your merchant account. After your account is approved, log into the Adyen customer area where you can set up the payment methods you want to accept. For example, you can enable Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or local wallet depending on your market. Adyen lets you customize you with which option appears at checkout for your customers. Now let's talk about integration. Adyen offers multiple ways to connect payment to your business. If you run an online store, you can integrate Adyen with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. If you have a mobile apps, you can use Adyen's API or SDK. For physical stores, Adyen provides payments terminal for card and contactless payments. Choose the method that best fits your business. Once payment are coming in, you can manage everything from the Adyen dashboard. You will be able to view transaction in real time, track settlement and payouts to your bank, detect and reduce fraud with Adyen built-in risk management tools, generate reports for accounting or business analysis. And that's it. That's how you use Adyen in 2025, from signing up, setting up payment method, integration with your business, and managing transaction. Adyen markets makes it super easy to accept payment globally in one place. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide help you, don't forget to subscribe the channel.